Yeesh, said Whiff. My old branch line wasn't the same ever since Beeching closed it up. Guys, are you coming? Yep, we're coming, Whiff, old buddy, said Scruff. Guys, said Percy, why are we in Britain again? Because, Percy, said Thomas, this is where Hunter's lair is located. Oh. Then Edward realized something. Guys, I feel like we're forgetting something. Like what? Said Percy. Oh no, said Thomas when realization hit him. We forgot the dynamite. Oh no, said Emily. I guess we were in such a rush, said Murdoch. We completely forgot about it. Now what? Said Emily. Without that dynamite, we don't stand a chance. I don't know, said Thomas. It's like you said, Emily. We don't stand a chance now. Wait a minute, said Whiff. I see something over there. Whiff, wait! Ooh. Hey, watch it. Sorry. So, Whiff, what did you see? Look. Dynamite! Guys, Whiff found dynamite! Dynamite, said Edward. What's dynamite doing out here? I don't know, but I don't care, said Whiff. At least now we stand a chance against Hunter and his army. Hey, Whiff, I think it will be safer if you go up front of the dynamite cars and I'll stay behind you. Oh, okay. Guys, wait, said Edward. Maybe this dynamite belongs to somebody. Edward, said Percy, do you see anyone else around here besides us? No. Then we have nothing to worry about. Come on, guys, said Whiff. I have a feeling that Hunter's lair is just up ahead. Come on. Yes, we're going to win, cried Percy. I hope so, said Edward. Let's keep our buffers crossed, said Murdoch, and with that the cavalcade puffed away. If the cavalcade stayed a little longer, they would notice a figure lurking in the shadows. Good luck, my friends.